This story is about the man who saw Dajjal. One day when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had finished his congregational prayer, he sat on the pulpit smiling and informed them what he heard from a man called Tamim Dari that matches with the identity of Dajjal, which was previously taught to them by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Tamim Dari was an Arab Christian and had embraced Islam. According to his statement, Tamim Dari had sailed in a ship along with 30 men of Arabian tribes Bani Laham and Bani Judam. They were tossed by waves in the ocean for a month. Then the waves took them near an island at the time of sunset. They sat in a small lifeboat and entered that island. On the island there was a beast with thick, long hair. And because of these, they could not tell the front from its back. They asked,
"Who are you?"
"I'm Al-Jassasa. O people, go to this person who is in a monastery, as he's very much eager to know about you."
They were scared, thinking that was the devil. So they walked fast till they found the monastery. When they went in, they saw a well-built man with his hands tied to his neck and having iron shackles between his legs up to the ankles.
"Who are you?"
"You would soon come to know about me. But tell me, who are you first?"
They told him what happened and how they ended up here. Then he said,
"Tell me about the date palm trees of Baisan. Do these trees bear fruits?"
"Yes."
"Soon they will not bear any fruits. Is there water in the lake of Tabaria?"
"There is abundance of water in it."
"I think it would soon become dry. Is there water in the spring of Zugar, and does it irrigate?"
"Yes, there is abundance of water in it, and the inhabitants of Medina irrigate land with the help of it."
"Inform me about the illiterate prophet. What has he done?"
"He has come out from Mecca and has settled in Medina."
"Do the Arabs fight against him? How did he deal with them?"
"He had overcome those in his neighborhood, and they have submitted themselves before him."
"If it is so, that is better for them that they should show obedience to him. I am going to tell you about myself. I am Dajjal, and would be soon permitted to get out and travel in the land. There wouldn't be a city or a village on earth where I would have reached it all in 40 days. Except Mecca and Medina, as these two places are prohibited for me. And if I make an attempt to enter any one of these two, an angel with a sword in his hand would confront me and would bar my way. And there would be angels to guard every passage leading to it."
Then Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Behold, he is in the Syrian Sea or the Yemen Sea. Nay, on the contrary, he is in the east." He said east 3 times and pointed his hand towards the east.